my dear students, welcome you all to our academic channel Mind Mapping. Let's recap. We discussed in our last class how to write a chemical equation and the methods followed to balance a chemical equation. And today we have taken a topic that is types of chemical reactions. So there are four types of chemical reaction. What are they? You see, first one is combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. But according to evolution of heat and absorption of heat, there are two types of reactions. One is exothermic, heat evolved, and another is endothermic, heat absorbed. Then let us look at this side. So there are three types of reaction: oxidation, reduction, and redox reaction. What are they? It happens due to addition and removal of oxygen and hydrogen. We shall discuss later. So today, out of four types of reaction, we have taken the concept of combination reaction and exothermic reactions. The first let us discuss combination reactions. So we have taken three examples. Now you see calcium oxide, that is called quicklime. When reacts with water, a new substance is formed that is called calcium hydroxide, slate lime or lime water. You see this reaction is vigorous, means quicklime reacts vigorously with water. A large amount of heat is evolved in this reaction. So this is an example of exothermic reaction. But why it is called combination reaction? You see, the reactants. How many reactants are there? On the left side, you see two reactants. Two reactants, they combine to form a new substance. Then, dear students, let's discuss what happens in a chemical reaction. That is breaking and combination of atoms to form a new substance. That happens in a chemical reaction. So two reactants, they combine each other to form a single product. So this is an example of combination reaction. So the reaction may be two or more reactants combine to form a single product is known as is called combination reaction. So another two examples we have taken from your textbook, that is hydrogen and oxygen both combine each other to form water. Two molecules of hydrogen and reacts with one molecule of oxygen to form two molecules of water. So this is an example of combination reaction because you see a single product. Here is a single product, and it is also an exothermic reaction. The heat produced or evolved is spread to the atmosphere or the surroundings. Now third one is when carbon bonds in oxygen, in presence of oxygen, what happens? Carbon dioxide gas is formed. So burning of carbon is an example of exothermic reaction. And now you see two reactants, they combine to form a single product. So what do we observe here? Two or more reactants, when they combine to form a single product, this is called combination reaction. Now you see, let us take some examples of exothermic reactions. Exo means out. So means thermic means heat. So heat is evolved. Heat is released. So in these reactions, heat is released. So these reactions are called exothermic reactions. So methane The burning of this is called natural gas. So methane, when burns in the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide and water is formed. In addition, a large amount of heat is generated by a bulb. And now see human respiration. So our body cells, they need energy. Where do they get energy? So they get energy by the process of respiration. So what happens in the respiration? So glucose is broken down or oxidized, broken down in presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water, and energy. That energy is utilized by our cells for different metabolic activities. That we shall discuss in your biology chapter. So another example we have taken. Now vegetable, suppose vegetable peels, other organic matters, after some days they decompose, they turn into compost. So this is an example of exothermic reaction. So these are the examples of exothermic reactions. In these reactions, heat is evolved or heat is produced. So now let us discuss an interesting topic. In the first reaction, when the quick lime or simple lime reacts with water, slaked lime is formed. And what are the uses of slaked lime? So uses of calcium hydroxide or slaked. So it is given in your textbook. Please look at the equation. So here slaked lime is used for whitewashing our walls. So for whitewashing of the walls, we use slaked lime. But after 2 to 3 days, the wall looks shiny white or milkish white. Why does it happen? So what is the reason? What is the cause behind it? So you see, the calcium hydroxide slaked lime reacts with carbon dioxide present in air to form a new substance that is called calcium carbonate plus water. And this calcium carbonate forms a layer or coating on the wall to so that the wall looks shiny white. Do you know what are the names of calcium carbonate? So it is given in your book and it was asked in CBSE exams and different exams. So you see calcium carbonate is called a marble, limestone or chalk. Limestone and chalk. So three names are there. Never be confused. So these names are also given in your textbook. Please go through a textbook. Hope your concept is clear about combination reaction. Why the reaction is called combination reaction and what is exothermic reaction? The reactions in which heat evolved or produced. So here is a question is given as home task or test yourself. Let me read the question and this question is made for you. X is a substance used to prepare Y. Stop. Y is used in whitewashing of the walls. Y forms a substance Z. So what are the two questions? Bit 1. Write the names and formulae of X, Y and formula means molecular formulae of X, Y and Z. Bit 2. Write the chemical equation of the reaction. So do it at home. This is a home task. In your next class, we shall discuss another type of reaction, the second type that is called decomposition reaction. Stay tuned to us, our teaching videos. Thank you all for watching.